Hey guys, today I want to do a video on installing the VIAIR 400P. What is it? Where does it say? Part number 40047. Anyway, it's a portable one with the alligator clips. And what I want to do is try and mount it behind the back seat. Basically with the camper. And this is in a 2020 Superduty. So I'll get a picture of the truck, short box. I've done a few videos on my truck already. But anyway, this video, I want to just mount this inside, keep it out of the weather, and really the main driver is space. When I carry this, truck's full, camper, the dogs, and I put on the floor, but I just need the space. So I haven't seen any videos of being installed here, so I'm going to see if it fits. I'm going to move the jack and yeah, put it in here. So let's get to it. Okay guys, I got that mounted, and there's this bracket here that's kind of in the way. You can see that change hands. And I was just holding some wires down, so I was bending it out of the way, and it's just plastic and it broke. I don't think it really holds much. This is gonna hold the wires back. I'll see what it connects to. It might be part of that luggage compartment under your seat, but I'll see that in a second. But you can see it fits okay. This just go on the rubber mounts. I'll just pop those back down, and then the jack. Where did that jack go? Oh, it's under the seat. That's where it is. Okay, here it is. So I'm just gonna try and figure out how to mount this guy in here. Something like that, maybe like that, and just, I think that's fairly secure right there. And I'll just put a tie down there for the jack, or maybe like that. That actually fits a little better. So maybe I'll drill a hole here, or just put a strap right around. It looks like it can go underneath. So I'll get this mounted and then figure that out. Okay guys, I got the air compressor, the VIAIR little compressor installed. It's fits behind the seat, and it was pretty easy install. The portable unit that I have has a mounting plate, or a plate that it sits on the bottom, so it made it actually quite easy. Went through factory holes, used the same bolts, put some lock washers on them, and it keeps it out of the way. That's what I'm doing, is just space. When they got the camper and everything's loaded up, on space is a premium. So I haven't wired it. I just want to show you how it does fit, and I'll either go to my outfitter switches or directly the battery and use the switch on the end of the air compressor. Anyway, I'll show you what we got going on. Okay, apologize for the light. It's a little dark in here under my carport. But anyway, you can see it fits right behind the seat. So, in the jack, it basically goes right where the jack was. So I moved the jack and just bungee corded it in there, and it's actually good and solid. It shouldn't rattle. And so I'll go around the other side and show you this seat. I actually put this latch on here. That was makes it easy to open up. Anyway, there's another video on that. So it goes in okay. Go around here. So the seat's up, as you can see, so it fits fine. Okay. So there you have it. Fits in there nicely. 2 bolts into the factory holes. So I just drilled through that checker plate, which came with the little air compressor. So there's the on-off switch. And it has the alligator leads because it's the portable one. And so essentially I just took the bracket off that holds the, it sits just like that, holds the jack, and that just latches it. So I went through these 2 holes, and yeah, fits just perfect. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, that it actually fits. I think there's enough clearance for heat. It's not touching any the carpeting or anything, and there's the vent. This guy right there is the air vent, and so that's why I wanted to put it in here. It's nice and dry, it's clean, and you know, I can just hook up the hose. I don't know if I'm going to run any jacks. I think it's just as easy to drop the seat and hook up the chuck and, you know, run the hose that way. So the hardest part of the install will probably be doing the wiring. And with these wiring, this wiring here that comes with it, technically I could use a set of booster cables, which I always take. I could just run booster cables to my battery, which, you know, is passenger side. It's just up there, and the, you know, the booster cables will reach. Okay, before I wrap this video up, I just thought I would show you that in the VIAIR bag comes with all the goodies. I just put it underneath the seat here, and so I got a tow rope and then just the hoses and all the adapters, so it all fits pretty nice in there. And the seat, oh. So the seat goes here. Fix the light. Okay, that's better. Okay, so yeah, you can see all the accessory fit in here nicely. And I got a tow rope, tow strap, and yeah, it all fits in nice. It's tie downs, all that kind of good stuff. So it's a way to get everything out of the way and give yourself a little bit more space. So I did it. Again, always thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.